Building a workout routine can be a great way to stay motivated and achieve your fitness goals. Here are some steps to help you build an effective workout routine. Determine your fitness goals. Before you start building your workout routine, you need to determine your fitness goals. Do you want to build muscle, lose weight, increase endurance, or improve your overall fitness level? Knowing your goals will help you create a plan that is tailored to your specific needs. Choose your workout type. Once you know your fitness goals, choose the type of workout that will help you achieve them. This may include strength training, cardio, yoga, or a combination of these. Set a schedule. Decide how many days a week you want to work out and what time of day is best for you. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results, so try to stick to your schedule as much as possible. Choose exercises. Choose exercises that target the specific muscles you want to work on. For example, if you want to build strength in your upper body, include exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, and bench press. Plan your sets and reps. Plan how many sets and reps you will do for each exercise. Aim for a total of 8 to 12 reps per set for muscle building, and 15 to 20 reps per set for endurance training. Include rest days. Rest days are just as important as workout days. Make sure to include at least 1 or 2 rest days per week to allow your body to recover. Track your progress. Keep track of your workouts and progress over time. This will help you see how far you've come and stay motivated. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and adjust your workout routine as needed. Consult with a fitness professional or personal trainer if you need help creating a workout plan that meets your specific needs.